Here's quick Spotistats import tutorial. So first of all, this is the original app you need to get. It's called Stats FM for Spotify Music app built by Stats FM BV. Formerly, it's Spotistats. Now it's just called Stats FM. And the idea of this app is that you can get just analytics for all your Spotify listening history, like your top tracks, top artists, top genres, top albums. But how to import all this data? It's super easy. I will show you how. You don't need to, to export some CSV files or whatever from your Spotify account and re-import them. The one thing you need to do, just open the app and then just log in with your Spotify account. So here you see this big green button in the bottom, and then you can just tap login with Spotify. You will be redirected to spotify.com account. Select the correct account, and there you have it. So now you just imported all your data, and then now I can see all my top artists.
Is your heart healthy? Check it out.
However, as you can see in the free version of Stats FM, there are a lot of annoying ads, but yeah, I can see my top artists. I can select number of streams, like during which period, 6 months or lifetime. It's a free version. I'm using Spotify Premium, but I think you can import Spotify data even for a free account. I can see recently played tracks. Of course, I can see top genres, top tracks, and some growing things. If I want more data, I need to upgrade. If you upgrade, you can get also top albums. You will have no ads. You can have your ability to import lifetime streaming history. And so yeah, there you have it. Hope that is helpful.